Hi, Amanda. Oh, so I'm sorry. I mean, yeah, it was really huge, but it seems like other students are doing the same thing and posting these massive. But you see what I'm saying now? We can see the whole thing. So I have some questions. So it looks like you have your whole bleed and everything on there too, which is great. I'm guessing that's your document edge right there, which is great. Good job demarcating that that edge of that page. Good job. Okay, so the one thing I wanted to really drive home here is that typographic grid. It's really going to help this pull this together. Let me just, I'm going to see what I have here to use as a straight edge. I'll use this guy right here. And just look at the right edge of this because I'm going to use it as a ruler. And I want you to see if I come over here and I align to the right side, left side of your type right there, your paragraph, nothing else aligns to it. So if you align that and that to that paragraph, you're going to see this thing come together magically. Also, reduce the size of the logo a little bit. It doesn't have to be that big. And then pull that over so that that's also in alignment. Okay, then take that whole section and move it over so that you have an equal margin with wherever your image starts over here. Okay. That's going to work very well, and I'm going to describe why. Because right now, the logo doesn't have to be that big. Because I'm going to tell you that it was a really smart idea using your clipped image right here, because that's the center of attention right there. That's your focal point. Boom. And then, since these colors are so well coordinated, and your palette here is so harmoniously presented, the color palette, it really you go right from here to here. So I think that the layout can definitely stand to reduce the size of the logo without you know, the possibility of losing any hierarchy, any importance in terms of hierarchy. Okay. And then as far as these go, you know, this is not really a layout class, so you figure it out, you know, do some visual research and try to figure that out yourself. But yes, I agree, and I'm okay with this ad because the typography is so good. I'm okay with the multiple images. I've said in other critiques that you know, you're using too many images, because I think if you reduce the size of these images and maybe even show them in a strip, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make sure that there's a center line and make sure that each of those 4 images fits equally across. Just a suggestion. Then you can use the bottom to orient your contact information. Okay, outstanding job though, really good job. Nicely, a wonderful typography. Okay, good job. Thanks. Any questions? I'm here. Give me a holler. Thanks.